everyone, it's Renee Roxanne. Welcome back. This is the style I created on day 4 of the silk press. If you want to see how I created these milk braids or Heidi braids, click that card above. I slept on these braids for 2 days. I'm applying argan oil to my hands to prevent breakage, friction, and frizz, and add shine. I'm taking the 2 bobby pins out and undoing the braids starting from the bottom. I wish I would have applied flexi rods, but I'm not going to spend the day in regret. I'm not going to add any heat, but if you do, make sure to do it on low temperature settings. I'm now applying some oil to quiet down my edges. I do go very hard in the gym. I'm using a rat tail comb to perfect my middle part. Then I'm running my fingers through to get rid of bulging. With the Mason Pearson boar brush, I'm smoothing down the top of my head and my edges as well. Now for the lengths of my hair, I'm still using argan oil just from OGX because it's less costly. This one is specifically a heat protectant and I love that because I'll be walking around in the sun today. I will be creating a simple hairstyle with 2 small braids. I already created my first braid. I'm using a rat tail comb to make symmetrical lines to create a small section of hair at the front. You can leave out some hair in front of your face to give it a more playful look. Start your braid by taking out 3 even strands, then cross the right strand over to the middle, then the left strand over to the middle. Keep a good grip on the hair so that the braid doesn't unravel. Make sure to gently pull through to the ends every once in a while to avoid tangles. Braid all the way down to the end and use an elastic if you need to. I'm bringing both braids together in the back of my head and securing it in place with a small hair claw. I'm allowing the teeth to sink into each braid to keep the style tight. I hope that you all love how we got this super simple bohemian beach waves, creating it from milk braids. If you love this hairstyle, be sure to like this video, drop a comment down below what hairstyles you love to create when your hair is in a straight state. Bye for now, you will see me in the next video.